Decoding the cost of a 20 by 20 concrete slab.
Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of concrete and construction, focusing specifically on the average cost of pouring a 20 by 20 concrete slab. The price can vary depending on several factors, including the thickness of the slab, the cost of labor, and additional materials or finishes. By understanding these variables, you can make an informed decision when planning your next project.
What determines the cost of a concrete slab?
The cost of a concrete slab isn't just about concrete. It's a combination of factors that all contribute to the final bill. Materials. This includes the concrete itself, as well as any reinforcement materials such as rebar or mesh. Labor. The cost of labor is a significant portion of the overall cost. This includes the prep work, pouring the concrete, and any finishing work. Size and thickness. Naturally, a larger or thicker slab will use more material and take more time to pour, raising the cost. Finish and design. If you want any kind of special finish or design on your concrete slab, this will also increase the cost.
The average cost of a 20 by 20 concrete slab.
Now, onto the main question. As of 2023, the average cost of pouring a concrete slab, including labor and materials, typically ranges from $4 to $8 per square foot. Therefore, for a 20 by 20 slab, or 400 square feet, you're looking at an average cost of $1,600 to $3,200. However, please remember that this is just an average range. The actual cost can be lower or higher depending on the specific factors mentioned in the previous section.
Can you lower the cost?
There are a few ways to potentially lower the cost of pouring a concrete slab. Do it yourself. If you have the necessary skills, you could potentially save on labor costs by pouring the slab yourself. However, this can be a difficult and time-consuming task, and it's not recommended if you don't have experience with concrete. Choose a simpler design. Opting for a simpler, more basic design can also help to keep costs down. Special finishes and designs are usually more expensive. Get multiple quotes. Prices can vary significantly from one contractor to another. Getting multiple quotes can help ensure that you're getting a fair price. The cost of pouring a 20 by 20 concrete slab can vary depending on a number of factors, including the cost of materials, labor, and the specifics of your project. However, with the average cost in mind and with some careful planning and budgeting, you should be well prepared to handle your upcoming project. I hope this information has been helpful, and happy building!